Let us start with today's class. Now let us proceed to the step number 2C, wherein we have to find out what are the, or we have to draw rather, different structural diagrams. I will write the formula again here. So it was 2, 3, 2, 3, because this will be, I will be requiring in drawing the structural diagram, 3, 2. Here it was 1, here it is 1. So 2 into 1 will give me 2, 3 into 1 will give me 3. Here it will be 1, 1. 3 into 1 will give me 3 and 2 into 1 will give me 2. So this four structural formulas we have seen in the previous slide. Now I have to draw the structural diagram. So yes, we know that we will have two stages. Okay. So I will make a diagram like this. So this box will have two stages. So let us say this is stage number 1 and stage number 2. So I will write here this is stage 1, this is stage 2. And we need 6 feet, so this will be 1. Let us say this is 2, then 3, then it will be 4, and then it will be 5, and this will be 6. So this structural diagram I am drawing for 2, 1 and 3, 2. The first structural formula. Okay, now let me change the color so that I can explain you well. Okay, now to start with, tell me what will be the center of 1 and 6. Where should I locate the center of this element 1 to 6?
In between 3 and 4.
Correct, in between 3 and 4. So this will be my starting point. This point between 3 and 4 will be starting point. Now, what does it says? For stage 1, it says that 2 rays, this number outside the bracket says that there should be 2 rays coming out from that point and the distance between the 2 rays should be 1. So what I will do is, I will mark one ray from here to here and another ray from here to here such that there are 2 rays from this point which I have made and there is the distance between them is only 1. Okay, so first of all, center. So center of 1 and 6 will be somewhere here between 3 and 4. Okay. Now just observe this formula, structural formula which we have made. What does it says? 2. 2 means from this point which we have just now located, 2 rays should come out. अब 2 रेस कैसा हो सकता है? एक रे यहाँ जा रही है ऊपर, एक रे इधर जा रही है नीचे, ऐसे भी हो सकता है बिकॉज उसने क्या बोला 2 रेस चाहिए. So 2 rays can be anything, but the number in this bracket 1 indicates that how much gap should be there between that 2 rays. So because gap is given only 1, so I cannot make the lines like this. So how I have to make it? I have to make it like this, that 1 ray is coming out from here, 1 ray is coming out from here. That means 2 rays are coming out from this point and the distance between these 2 rays is only 1. अब समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go for the second stage. First stage का काम हो गया. Second stage में क्या बोल रहा है? The number three means from each and every point, 3 rays should come out. हर पॉइंट मतलब ये वाली पॉइंट से और ये वाली पॉइंट से, हर पॉइंट से कितनी रेज आना चाहिए? 3 rays should come out and the distance between the rays should be only 2. The distance between the rays should be only 2. So 3 रेज निकलना चाहिए और डिस्टेंस सिर्फ 2 चाहिए. तो एक रे यहां से निकाल रहा हूं मैं, एक रे ये खुद होगी और एक रे ये होगी. है डिस्टेंस दो का 1 2 3. अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट? ये वाली पॉइंट जो है जंक्शन, ये जंक्शन से कितने रेज निकलना चाहिए? 3 रेज. तो मैंने 3 रेज निकाला, एक ये ऊपर जा रही है, एक सीधी और एक नीचे जाती हुई. एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, ये 2 पॉइंट के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए? सिर्फ 2. तो मैंने 2 का डिस्टेंस छोड़ दिया. सिमिलरली ये वाली जो पॉइंट है सेकंड पॉइंट, वहां से भी 3 रेज निकलना चाहिए. सो 1 रे विल गो अप हियर, 1 ray will be coming here in the front and the next ray will be going down. So here you can see we have achieved all the 6 speeds by gearing mechanisms. What will be the speed of that gears, what will be the number of feet on that gear, we will determine later. So this is first structural diagram. So the structural diagram was 2 3, or the structural formula was this one, 2 3 1 2 3, and then we had 3 2, and again we had 3 2. So this was the 4 different structural formulas. So we have drawn a diagram for only one now. Now let us go for the second one. So again I will make this diagram. Let us say this is the structural diagram. wherein what I need two different stages. So this will be stage number 1, this will be stage number 2, and then I want 6 different steps. So 1, then let us say this is 2, then here it is 3, here it is 4, here 5, and here it is 6. Okay, so this is the structure I have made. Now just I will write the formula which we have seen, that is 3 1 and 2 3. Now I am making the structural diagram for 3 1 and 2 3. Now again I want the intervention from your side. Okay, so the first stage, what is tell is, from every point 3 rays should come out and the difference between them should only be 1. The number outside the bracket indicates how many rays should come out, and number inside the bracket indicates what should be the difference between the, or what should be the gap between the rays. Okay, so let us start and draw the diagram. Tell me where will be the center?
In between 3 and 4.
In between 3 and 4. So this will be the center, and now I need 3 rays coming out from this, but should have only 1 as the distance between them. So what I will do is, I will make 1 ray like this, here joining, 1 ray will be joined here, and 1 ray will be joined here. Is it correct? 3 rays are coming out, and the difference or distance between them is also 1. Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, for stage 2, what it is telling me, that from every point 2 rays should come out and the distance between them should be only 3. From each and every point there should be 2 rays coming out and the distance between them should be 3. So let us say first point, 1 ray is coming out from here, joining here, और distance कितना चाहिए 3 का, तो 1 2 3. So I will make it here. Similarly, this will go up. देखो बाकी सिमेट्री रहता है, एक अगर आपने बना लिया तो बाकी तो सिमेट्रिक रहेगा. This will be here. Third one will be going here and here. So any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
So let us go for now the third structural diagram, and these are the steps. ये आप ये नहीं बोलोगे सर मैं एक ही बनाऊंगा चलेगा क्या? No, you have to make all the structural diagrams. अगर 12 आ रहे तो 12 structural diagram आपको बनाना है in exam. It depends on what configuration you choose. Okay, let us go for the third one. तो थर्ड के लिए भी सेम चीज मैं अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. आई विल मेकिंग अ स्ट्रक्चरल डायग्राम लेआउट. So this is a layout of my structural diagram, wherein this is stage number 1, this is stage number 2, speed 1, let us say this is speed 2, then speed 3, then speed 4, speed 5, and speed 6. Now, and the structural formula which I will be using is the third one, 2 3 3 1. So now what it indicate? What does it indicate? That from each and every point 2 rays should come out. From one point 2 rays should come out and the distance between them should be 3. Okay, so again I will go to the center. Center पे आ गया. Now only 2 rays I have to take out. Only 2 rays, and the distance between them should be 3. So one I will connect here and one I will connect here for symmetry. And now you can see the distance between the 2 is only 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
now,
sir.
for stage number 2, what it is indicating me, that from each and every point 3 rays should come out and the difference between them should be only 1. So इस point से कितनी rays बाहर आना चाहिए? 3, and the difference between them should be only 1. So how can I make it? So 1 ray is going here, 1 ray here, and 1 ray here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because
Yes, sir.
from this point 3 rays are coming out and it is having distance of 1 and 1. Similarly, if I follow the symmetry, from this point 1 ray will be going here, 1 ray in front, and 1 ray here. So again you can see all the 6 speeds are achieved. Now let us go for the fourth one. Again I will make 2 different stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Then I will make the shafts or the speeds, you can say 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now I will be making structural diagram for 3 3 and 2 1.
सर 3 2 आएगा.
Sorry, correct. 3, 2. It will be 3, 2. Good observation. So again, what does it indicate? It indicates, the number indicates that from every point, 3 rays should come out, but the difference between them should be only 2. So again, I will start with the center part to maintain the symmetry. So here, if I start, and there should be 2 rays, and the difference should be only
2
2.
फर्स्ट और सेकंड के
Yes.
बीच में आएगा
Correct. First और second के बीच में एक आएगा. Then one will be exactly at the front here, and one will be somewhere here. Is it correct?
between. Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, to maintain the symmetry. Correct. Then we have to go for the next stage, which is telling me that from each of this point which you got now, 2 rays will be coming out, and there should be gap of only 1. So now it's very simple. So from this point, 2 rays should come out. So 1 ray will go here, 1 ray will go here. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, from this point, 1 will go here, 1 will go here, because I need only one distance between the 2 points. 1 will go here, 1 will go here. So again, you can see all the 6 dots, that is all the 6 speeds are achieved. So with this, we completed step number 2C, that is drawing the structural diagram of all the structural formulas.